In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix apps or games not opening up in Windows 11. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is run a system file scan. So go ahead and hit the search bar and you need to go ahead and type in command prompt. Before opening it up, right click on it, hit run as administrator and hit yes. It's going to then take you to a page that looks like this. And once it does go ahead and open up, what you need to do is type in sfc /scan now. Go ahead and hit enter and wait for the scan to complete. It might take some time, so just keep that in mind. It's going to show you that time right here, but once it does go ahead and hit enter, it's going to scan and repair any corrupted system files that may prevent apps from opening. Once it does reach 100%, close the window and test your apps again. If it does still continue though, what you're going to want to do is open up the run dialog, and you can do this just by hitting Windows and then R. And as you can see, I'm just going to kind of pretend that this is done right here and continue on to the next step. But go ahead and type in wsreset.exe and then hit OK. And this will clear the Microsoft Store cache, which can sometimes cause issues as well. If it's still not opening, you need to open up your registry editor and you could just search for this as well. But I would recommend creating a backup before doing anything. But essentially, once you open up your registry editor, which I can't open up right now since I have the administrator command prompt running right now, you need to look for the folder that's called hkey_classes_root and find the folder called .exe. Click on it, hit default, and then go ahead and find the value that says exe file. If it doesn't say exe file, go ahead and change it, hit OK. Open that up, find the shell folder, and then go ahead and double click default again. And this should be a blank, or it should say value not set. If it looks like that, you're good to go. All you need to do is just go ahead and restart your PC and you're good to go. But if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.